Hello, it's CD again with Truth Matters. I just wanted to think for a minute with everybody just why truth matters in the first place. Um, I've had this idea that's coming back to me now and then the age of BS, the age of bullshit. Maybe that's a thesis in the makes, whatever. If someone else wants to take that and run with it, feel free to. I know that this is not at all original with the explosion of knowledge, much like a prophet or Joel maybe predicted that in the last days knowledge would be greatly. No one that it's I don't know of too many science fiction writers, if any, that talked about the explosion of knowledge such as we have now in the palm of your hand and mine with a handheld device containing all of the information, all the knowledge of humanity. That's just pretty wild. But maybe it's such an explosion of knowledge that makes it harder to determine what is real knowledge, what is true knowledge, and what is not. So I've talked quite a bit, a number of conversations on epistemology, theory of knowledge. How do you know if a thing is true or if if it's constitutive of real knowledge or not? So anyway, big word there again, epistemology. So the explosion of knowledge, rumors repeated, the internet greatly facilitates that. Outright falsehoods. I think of Hitler or Goebbels, one or both of them. Goebbels was Hitler's chief propagandist. Said the greater the lie, the more often repeated, the more it is believed. That the internet is especially amenable to that. And there's propaganda. There is the charge of fake news. The good news in this is that we at least take truth seriously. I think of a statement by G.K. Chesterton, though all men are liars, all men love the truth. Hence the finger pointing this way and that, left and right, as to who's really telling the truth and who is fake. Do you know of one person, anyone or any group that comes out and says, yeah, I'm fake over here. This is fake knowledge right here, fake and proud of it? I don't know of anyone. No one does that. And yet it's everywhere, the charge of fake knowledge and all. I do agree. I don't agree with Bill Maher on a whole lot, but I do agree with him when he said that truth is dead and the internet killed it. The explosion of knowledge has made it harder for us to verify and to check things, and I plead guilty to falling into the trap of posting, sharing, acting, believing a thing when it was not or may not be true. So what am I talking about? What am I driving at? Since 2013, I've been posting these vlogs or videos that truth matters. The church throughout its history, throughout the history of the Christian church, there have been orders formed to emphasize various things. The Franciscans, love of nature, poverty, embrace of poverty. I think of John Wesley, the embrace of a disciplined and rigorous lifestyle, such that they were called Methodist. A really bad word back then. The Wesleyans, Methodist movement. Throughout the history of the church, we see these orders. I say it's time for an order. Truth matters, one that takes truth seriously. The age of BS. The essence of BS is that truth does not matter. What do you think? What are your thoughts on truth? Does truth matter to you? Truth matters. Let me know what you're thinking. Take care. We'll talk later.